Hey, welcome back. So for the past couple of weeks, I've been working on the steering section and bringing everything together. I followed Ackerman's steering principle while designing the steering mechanism, and I have managed to get about 37 degrees of steering angle at the inner wheel and 27 degrees at the outer wheel, which is sufficient enough, I think. In my previous design, the top wishbone arm had only one axis joint and the wheel mounting hub was very thin, and as you will see now, it failed. So redesigned everything with the two axis points, and now everything is stiff. I did not buy any ball joints for the steering linkages because my goal was to use less bolt parts. So instead I printed these parts which can provide two axes of rotation so that the suspension travel will not interfere with the steering movement. And on one of the arms that drives the steering linkage, I fitted the servo on directly, and I will just place a servo directly on top of it. For those who haven't watched my previous video, there is a detailed video of assembling the rear drivetrain. I am using a 1200 kV brushless motor to drive the wheels. I also used a combo of PVC pipe and 3D printed dog bone as the drive shaft. We now have the front and rear section. I need to see if this will work or not, so let's make a temporary frame. I had some aluminum sheets lying around. I cut a rectangle and bent the bottom in L shape to get a strong frame. It's about 1 mm thick. Okay, what I am trying to build is my dream car BMW M4. So to get the scale down wheelbase, I had a quick chat with Claude, and it gave the wheelbase compared to the real M4 and is about 47 cm. Yeah, this looks good. Next we are going to build a custom transmitter and a receiver. So the idea is simple. We use an Arduino board and ESP32 board. The nano reads potentiometer and the joystick value. The value is sent to the ESP board using serial communication. The ESP will transmit the data to the receiver section, and another ESP on the receiver section will send the packet to the mega board, and the mega will control the steering servo and the ESC. Also, I am using a separate lithium-ion battery for just the steering servo. For the controller, I wanted to try a new type of design. So bottom we have the throttle stick. It is a standard joystick, and on the top we have the steering wheel mounted on a potentiometer. So I have printed some casing for the potentiometer and connected everything using a 20 mm PVC pipe. So later on this will be a full circle steering wheel, so I can steer like this and control the throttle at the same time. So let's see how that will go.
Okay.
If you have watched this far, please hit that subscribe button. In the next video, I will be finishing the full body build. So stay tuned